It's a Standoff 2 game sign-in problem. Welcome everybody. If you have this problem, I will give you the solution for it. Let's do it. The solution is very easy. First step, open the settings of your mobile phone. Click next at apps option and search here for Standoff 2 and click. Right now scroll down this list, click storage option, click clear cache. And back after that, click add for stop and click OK. So after these steps, go to your Play Store or App Store if you use a phone device, and here update your standoff game if you found, of course, the update available. And after updating your game, go now and restart your mobile phone. And that's all, guys. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to support us by like and subscribing. See you in another tutorial.